Multi-functional roller heat transfer machine. This machine is the latest multifunctional drum heat transfer printing machine developed by our company. Adopting a touch screen, easy to operate, and intelligent on-off machine. Patent technology, automatic blanket alignment. When blanket goes to a side, it will do alignment. Pneumatic pressurization device for blankets. External electrical box design. Smoke discharging system. Updated smoke discharging system performs small noise and perfectly exhausts smoke out. Rear-mounted rewinding fabric device. Blanket adopts rack and pinion for forward and backward movement. V-shaped waste paper chute. PVC conveyor belts. Operation demo. Load protective paper. Get protective paper into drum. Adjust tension of protective paper. Take up protective paper. Put sublimation paper. Put fabric. Feeding fabrics and paper after temperature reach setting. Adjust tension of sublimation paper. Adjust tension of fabric. Take up waste sublimation paper. Take up sublimation fabric. Heat sublimation clear and beautiful effect, bright color. No burning, no uneven heating, no ghosting, etc. Satisfy high precision and high color heat transfer printing. It can be used for heat transfer money rolled fabrics and cut pieces. Suitable for sublimation transfer t-shirt, non-woven fabrics, apparel fabrics, towels, blankets, mouse pads and other products.